We are convened to deliberate on the House Resolution number 1024, which mandates this body to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation into the technical failures of 500 kV transmission lines, specifically the cascading tripping of the Tayabas, Ilihan, and Dasmariñas, Ilihan lines, which triggered severe red and yellow alerts across Luzon and Visayas grids. This inquiry should remain constructive, solution-oriented, and responsive to the concerns of the public. Our mandate today is to determine what failed, why it failed, what measures must be put in place to prevent similar incidents from happening again. While the immediate crisis has passed, the vulnerabilities revealed by these incidents remain a serious concern. More than 3.9 million consumers across Metro Manila, Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Rizal were affected by the manual load dropping. Every time the lights go out, business incur losses, households are disrupted, and our economy, already grappling with inflation and global volatility, takes another avoidable hit. When these failures occur, the public rightfully demands accountability from government. This is why we must move beyond reactive responses and work toward a more proactive and resilient energy system. The DOE must have a real-time visibility and timely coordination with the grid operator to ensure faster response, clearer communication, and better crisis management.